महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Sri Vaishnavi Educational and Rural Development Trust was established in the year of 2018 to recognize the need for spreading education and creating learned, well-mannered and well-cultured future generations, with special focus on upliftment of students from rural and underprivileged backgrounds. The Trust has stepped forward by eliminating darkness and ignorance from past years. Today, the Trust serves its two institutions in Lingsur, such as Anglist English Medium Pre-Primary and Anglist CBSE School. The Trust has always been in front of fostering the student community and becoming a sparkling platform from enormous students to unlock their doors of opportunities and ensure their educational, social, economical and cultural development. The Anglist English Medium School established in the year of 2018 with an intention of accelerating the school education, enhancing efforts to prepare children better to enter and contribute to the competitive and global world. The school has a good infrastructure, quality education and holistic development of the students, considering their individual needs, interests and natural abilities, imparting learner-centric quality education accessible to all. It's all about planning of 4 members who are sitting and planning for the quality of education. The members are Sri Venkat Reddy Sir, Sri Mallikarjun Sir, who are the government teachers, and Nagraj Hiramat Sir. And the other 2 people, they have planned in the better way to contribute to the quality education in the city. For the same, they planned to open schooling. Next day, planned to take a leased land. Coming next, they had planned to build a building in a leased land by spending 28 lakhs to 30 lakhs as the initial amount. It has been started on May 23rd, 2018 with 2 students as an initial admission. After that, total strength of first year is 123. In the second year, they got 290 students, and after that, there is a lockdown. After the lockdown, with a new ideology, on 26 January 2023, inauguration of a new building was done.
everyone, myself Vrinda from 9th Style. I am going to share my views on school bus. School bus are special with a required capacity of cabin and seat. Our school bus has a teacher to ensure the proper discipline and safety for the students. Bus driver is responsible for pick and drop the students from their respective stops.
to our school. Myself Ananya Shetty of class 9. Shuklam Varadaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam. Prasanna Vadanam Dhyayat Sarva Vignopashantaye. Lord Ganesha, also called Spell Ganesha, also called Ganapati, the elephant-headed Hindu god who is traditionally worshipped before any major and enterprise authors, scriptors and writers, etc. And it plays the major role in schools and colleges. Students of our school pray to God before they enter their respective classes. Thank you.
This is our prayer hall. A day without a prayer is a day without a blessing. A life without a prayer is a life without a power. With this beautiful thought, I want to say that, dear Lord of grace, we come to this morning prayer. Thank you for the day you gave us and enabled us to gather here. We bring all the students of our school to you. You may bless them in a great way. Thank you.
Myself, Shraddha is of class 9. Here our teachers are teaching the students by using the digital classrooms. It uses the children to take more control of their learning. And it is so comfortable and it is so interesting to learn. Thank you so much.
Myself Pratika Mari Patil, I am studying in class 7. From past 3 years, I am studying in this school. All 5 fingers are not equal. In the same way, all students are not equal in exhibiting their hidden talent. In front of blackboard, we have projector to get extra knowledge. And teachers held different kinds of activity like painting, crafting and debating in between girls and boys. And teacher gives seminar to students to build their knowledge. This school. Here you may see the many mathematicians that students get to know about them. And you may see here charts and boards that students get more knowledge from this. And compared to theory, that students get more knowledge from the practical. Thank you.
I am Arya from 7th standard and I am studying here from 2 years. You can see here how they are coming here from the ramp safely. We constructed this ramp because of the disabled people who are not able to go properly from the stairs. So they use this ramp to go upward and downward. We also care for students and child safety while they are going on the ramp. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Dhanya from grade 8. Since from 7 years I am studying in this school. These 7 years gave me a good opportunity to build myself. One of them is School Composite Lab, or is also known as Composite Science Lab or Composite Skill Lab. Is a laboratory that combines different scientific disciplines and modern fields to provide students with hands-on learning experiences. Thank you.
Myself Skanda from 7. Today I am here to speak few words about medical facilities. To promote healthy behaviors among the children, school medical is very important. If we fall down or injured while playing or else in the school campus, school medical is very important.
Everyone, myself Anushka, I am from 8th standard. A school security guard's primary role is to ensure the safety and security of the students, staff and visitors to our school. They do this by preventing incidents and the emergencies. Our school has various facilities. Our school also has CCTV cameras plays an important role in every school. When you get entered to our school campus, you may see each and every corner of the school we have CCTV cameras. It acts like the monitor of our school. It is very necessary for our school. CCTV cameras are very necessary to ensure the qualities and discipline of the school and run the school systematically and properly.
In our school library, the areas are very calm, it does not distract any students, and the students peacefully enjoy their readings, and we have enough place, at least 20 students can enjoy their readings. The real danger is not that computer which thinks like the man, that man thinks like a computer, and we have a good lab facilities that students get more information by the computer, the students get more information sources, and we have more than 20 seats that students can enjoy their seats.
Myself Sindhu from 10th standard. A school lunch prayer can be a way to teach children about gratitude and connect with their families after the school. In a school campus, the children will sit together and have their lunch together.
Studying in 7th standard, our school had made the best opportunity about the pure drinking water, which the children can fill the water bottle and they can drink the water. The water is fully purified and came to the tap, which when the children drink the water, it will be very healthy. Thank you.
Myself Sai Sawan from class 8. It is important for everyone to learn discipline as it helps in organizing tasks properly. Discipline is a very important aspect human's life. It helps in setting and achieving the goals. Disciplined people are more respected and looked up to. Indiscipline can create problems, confuse in one's life.
Myself Rishabh from 8th standard. Our school has provided a better opportunity to enhance our skills in sports. Human body is like a machine. It needs good maintenance. Good maintenance is that to stay fit, to be regular with our physical exercise. In our school, we have two types of games. One is indoor and one is outdoor. In indoor games, we have chess and carom. In outdoor games, we have volleyball, kabaddi and throw ball. Our school has provided this all facilities.
From 7th standard and I am studying here from CES. One thing I can tell you, we have best washroom facilities here. We have separate washroom for boys and we have enough water supplies and hand washing facilities. We maintain cleanliness and hygiene. For that, once a day washroom is cleaned twice or thrice a day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Revati from 9th standard. Hostel is a place where people make long-lasting knowledge and study to cherish forever. Hostel students need to do all their tasks on their own. They learn several new skills such as washing their clothes, ironing them, cleaning their room, keeping their books tidy, purchasing their stuff on budget and even cooking. Hostel have well-maintained rooms with comfortable beds, study desks, chair and storage space for personal belongings.
Celebrations. Sharing the happy movements together and spreading joy all around is a vital aspect of Anglist CBSE. We follow every year religiously. Environmental Day, Yoga Day, Guru Purnima, Doctors Day, Ganeshotsav, Janmashtami, Navaratri, Dandiya Ras, Kalyana Karnataka Divas, Diwali, and other important festivals were celebrated with great zest and venerations. The Independence Day and Teachers' Day were celebrated with great reverence and fervor. Co-scholastic activities. The school looks at each learner as a unique whole person with inherent genius, special capabilities, and unlimited potential. By providing a conducive and encouraging environment, the students are mentored to participate in variety of inter-school activities. Under the aegis of Culture Department, we conducted many competitions such as calligraphy competition, drawing competition, best out of waste, Hindi handwriting competition, Hindi Kavita Vachan competition, science Rangoli competition, Sloka Patana competition, spelling bee competition, singing, speech, greeting card making, poster making, and self-introduction competition. Thank you.
I am Nikita, studying in English CBSE school. The life is incomplete without sport. It's time to refresh our time, so play as much as you can. Gold medals aren't really made of gold. They are made of sweat, determination, and hard-to-find alloy called guts. To prove these words, our English CBSE school had conducted annual sports meet, in which all the students participated enthusiastically and even they bagged many ranks.
सदियों से खेल चला, सब ही खेले हैं भला। सदियों से खेल चला, सब ही खेले हैं भला, पर हम क्या खेले देखो। होंगे खिलाड़ी बड़े पर हम भी डट के खड़े, एक पल की चूक नहीं हो। दौड़ेंगे सांपों से बचने को छापों से, उठ भागेंगे सुन के खो 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 देगा गुजरात को, खो 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 देगा गुजरात गुजरात के है वीर विजय को दे दे हर खो दे हर पाले या खो दे हर खेल आज ऐसा क्यों गर्व खेल को खो 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 देगा गुजरात को खो 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 देगा गुजरात को खो 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 देगा गुजरात को खो 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 जीतेगा गुजरात को। सदियों से खेल चला सब ही खेले हैं भला
मिली है हाइट है अलग हमारा रोल सद्बुद्धि से काम लेके किस्मत अपनी खोल सद्बुद्धि से काम लेके किस्मत अपनी खोल सद्बुद्धि से काम लेके किस्मत अपनी खोल आजा खेले वॉलीबॉल आजा खेले वॉलीबॉल आजा खेले वॉलीबॉल आजा खेले वॉलीबॉल। करके सलाम तिरंगे को हम खूब प्राउड पाते हैं देख हमारी टीम सामने बड़े बड़े घबराते हैं बड़े बड़े घबराते हैं करके सलाम तिरंगे को हम खूब प्राउड पाते हैं देख हमारी टीम सामने बड़े बड़े घबराते हैं बड़े बड़े घबराते हैं BFI नाम है ना इसका कोई मोल आजा खेले वॉलीबॉल आजा खेले वॉलीबॉल आजा खेले वॉलीबॉल आजा खेले वॉलीबॉल। पहनी जर्सी हिंदुस्तान की खूब बड़ी पहचान है देश विदेश में जीत के हमने खूब बढ़ाया मान है पहनी जर्सी हिंदुस्तान की खूब बनी पहचान है देश विदेश में जीत के हमने खूब बढ़ाया मान